What's up, boys? Here we are. We're back at it again. The crust box, the rust box, the KE30, the death machine. Call it what you want.
The fire pit.
The pit of fire.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna try to do some stuff. All right, guys, so I'm gonna continue to strip some stuff out on the interior, and then I'm gonna, actually, you know what, I'm starting on the bay. I'm gonna strip some more stuff out of here, because once Justin's done welding up the side marker on the fender.
Yeah, I'm gonna weld this up, and then I'm gonna start welding up all the holes in the engine bay.
And then he's gonna do that. So I'm gonna get this all prepped and clear and make sure there's no gasoline or anything like that to, you know, burn us all to death, because we like dying in fire, right, Aaron? Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So keep watching.
All right, everybody, I have this all shaved down, and I have these holes shaved down, and now I'm gonna take this rusty piece of metal and I'm gonna use some tin snips. I'm gonna cut out the plate for this, weld it up, weld that up, try to fix this shit hole of a fender, and then I'm gonna start welding up those little holes on the door. Well, Jamie still continues to work on removing all the stuff.
Yeah, but look at this
from the bay.
Yeah, look at this shit. This guy right here. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna work on this fender, and all the fucking tools are under it.
You know what I have to
All
say
of
to
them.
that? I have to say to that. Oh,
Sounds horrible.
this plate all cut out. The tin snips worked beautifully, and it was super fast. This fits really nice, so all I'm gonna do is weld all this stuff up. So stay tuned, guys. All right, guys, got it all welded up with the shit welder. While I'm waiting for this to cool down, I'm going to start using the grinder to expose all the holes that we're gonna weld up in the engine bay.
I feel like I just unbuckled Neo in the fucking Matrix. You know what I'm saying? Like, wiring harness is out, which is cool because we're gonna run a pain-free. I got all the shitty insulation out. I got the heater core, blower motor, all that stuff out. So now there's lots of space and room for activity, so I can get up in here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try and get the brake booster out, take off the steering column, get the steering rack out, and shit like that. So yeah, keep watching.
All right, I got all these brackets off. Man, it was a pain in the ass. This metal is thin and it sucks. So that bracket's off, got a bracket off there, got a bracket off there, got the battery tray bracket off, and got all these holes. Got all these holes exposed for welding. Now I'm gonna get to the side after Jamie's done taking out the steering box and start exposing all these holes so we can start welding everything up and have that perfectly shaved bay. All right, I'm gonna start welding up this side. I'm gonna wait to get onto that side until I start working on this side. So, what the? Woo!
Hello there.
You'll float too!
Just kidding. All right, guys. So I'm under here getting the brake lines, fuel lines, and all that out of there, so that we can reroute them and put them where we want. Justin's still welding under the bay, but we're surprisingly getting a lot done. So keep watching. Guys, well, these two little b-holes have been sitting around doing nothing, being little dick wads. Just kidding.
Multiple slag pieces go through my fucking brand new shoes and burn the shit out of my toe!
Justin's got these all welded up for the most part. I have a couple more to work on. It's not easy, lots of stuff to do. I got the steering rack out, the brake booster out. So yeah, that's what's been going on. We've actually gotten quite a bit done. This car is damn near a barren shell. The dash is completely out, everything's gone. No more wires, no more mess. So basically now we're just buttoning up the aesthetics in the bay. We're gonna do some more body work. So yeah.
I don't know how I got roped into shaving another fucking engine bay, dude.
Shave it!
God.
Here we are, end of the night. The boys got to get back to Olympia. It's kind of a long drive. This won't be a problem once we get the Corolla down there. These time constraints will go away. But, so, here's what's going on. Justin got almost all of the engine bay holes welded up that are unnecessary. I got the brake lines out, everything, man. I'm talking the brake booster, the little stuff came out, lots of stuff. And so, yeah, we got a lot done today. All right, guys, end of the night. The boys got to get out of here. It's getting late, it's cold, and we got a lot done. So keep watching so you can see us do body work on a rusty Corolla for the next 13 episodes.
Like and subscribe, guys.
Like and subscribe. Buy our merch, it's sick!
Yeah, check out our merch store.